Here we are with Professor Liz-Marzán, who has just been awarded Ciamician-Gonzalez Lectureship 2023 by Chemical Italian Society. Let's start with the first question. What does chemistry mean for you?
Well, this is a both easy and difficult question at the same time. So chemistry is the process by which you can destroy matter and create new matter. And in that respect, it gives you a great power, and at the same time, it involves a lot of magic. And so when you're able to really try to make something different from known materials, and then you obtain something that becomes useful for society, that's always a great feeling. And so we typically work with materials that breach the range from organic to inorganic to biomaterials. And so this possibility of creating matter that can be related to what nature also does is something extremely special.
What will be the next cornerstone in the advancing chemical research according to you?
There are many possibilities for new cornerstones in chemistry because chemistry, as it is called the central science, it's really addressing many different problems and some of the most crucial problems that society is facing today. From energy to the environment to health, chemistry will be present everywhere. So the development of new catalysts, for example, to extract energy from the light of the sun will be extremely important. We already have many materials related to this, but we need new materials made by chemistry to convert, for example, water in hydrogen that can provide energy. But we also need chemistry to be able to somehow help improving the green nature of processes that we are using. And we need we need chemistry also to create new drugs, to create new sensors that can detect or diagnose diseases and help to have a more healthy society. So there are plenty of cornerstones. I think that really the improvement of energy transformation will be one of the crucial developments in the near future.
What about the breakthrough you will talk about here in the University of Padua in the talk today?
The lecture will present some recent work that we are doing to copy the way in which nature creates materials with a lack of symmetry. So similar to our hands, which are mirror images to each other but cannot be superimposed to each other. This is what we call in chemistry chirality. So nature employs chirality in many different ways, and we could even say that life is chiral. And so developing materials that copy this way of creating objects that can interact with living systems in different ways is something that we are addressing by using chemical tricks that are similar to the tricks that nature is using. And so we are achieving properties that have not been demonstrated before, and that, in my opinion, become a breakthrough also in chemistry, in chemical research.